tell you an amazing story with an amazing moral that would change your life. The story name is The Stag and Its Reflection. There once lived a proud stag. While wandering in the forest, he came upon a pond. He stopped there to drink water in order to quench his thirst. As he bent down, he saw his own reflection in the water. "How beautiful are my antlers," he thought, admiring his long curves of his antlers. As the stag was admiring his antlers, he suddenly noticed his legs. "Oh, look at my skinny legs. I cannot believe God has given me both beautiful antlers, but such an ugly legs," he thought. The proud stag now felt ashamed of his legs. His pride vanished. "These ugly legs are no match with just beautiful antlers," he thought. Just then, Stag heard a roar of a lion. When he turned around, he saw a lion charging on him. "Oh no!" screamed the stag and ran as fast as he could. The stag felt the lion's breath close to him. I must get to the densest part of the forest where there are many branches. The lion will not able to catch me in this forest, in the part of the forest," thought the stag. So, with this thought in his mind, he ran as fast as he could. Soon, the stag had felt the lion far behind. I outsmarted the lion," thought the stag proudly. But all of a sudden, his antlers got stuck in the branches of a tree. "Ah!" cried the stag as he stopped at once. The more he tried to free himself, the more difficult it became. As the stag was struggling to get free, the lion came nearer and nearer. "How I praised my horns and cursed my legs. Now I know the real value of my legs, which almost took me to the safety," wailed the stag. But it was too late. The lion pounced on the stag and killed him. That was the end of the proud stag.